In Maimer Tess, the Beis Halevi moves on to the sugya of a bit more positivity, of what should we rather focus on, if we're not focusing on our own efforts, but what should we be focusing on? Says the Beis Halevi in Tess. Now that we've figured it out, and hopefully it's become clear, there is no creation in the world that you should have any confidence in, and any bitachon in. And in fact, the Halevi goes through a list of all the things that you have to sort of have in someone in order to have any bitachon in them. And when you go through that list, you realize that doesn't exist, because there is only bitachon in Hashem. When you realize how much Hashem loves us and how much He cares for us and has the ability to do everything, and so on and so on and so on, you realize that it's only Hashem. It can only be found in Hashem. Continues the Beis Halevi. Here you will see. Losum bitchoinoi boyisborach. You will put your full bitachon, your full trust in Hashem. Ki hu echad mahamitzvah shebatorah. That itself is one of the mitzvahs of the Torah. So apart from the fact that you're having bitachon in Hashem, you actually become a mitzvah. Ubishas hadin shoylin loy tzipisa Yeshua. Something we've spoken about in Shem many times. The Gemara in Shabbos Lamed Aleph tells us that when we get to Shemayim, there's going to be a test. And they're going to ask us a bunch of questions. So we should try to be careful that we can have the answers to those questions, hopefully in the positive. And one of those questions was, Tzipisa Yeshua. Did you wait for the Yeshua for the salvation? What does that mean? Perish, says the Beis Halevi. Im chika Yeshua. Did you wait for the Yeshua v'lo nisyo Yeshua meno, and you didn't give up from getting that Yeshua in that case? Of course, we are discussing having the Geula, having Moshiach, and everything else. But here the Beis Halevi is telling us an additional idea. And that is, not only did we anticipate and wait desperately, waiting for Mashiach, but also when something happened wrong in our lives, did we wait for the Yeshua from Hashem? Did we realize that everything comes from Hashem, and therefore the only one that can save me is Hashem? That's the question they're going to ask us in Shemayim. That's the meaning of it. And a person will be machazik in his bitachon as much as he can to make sure that when something happens and there's a problem, and it could happen throughout our lives, things happen, challenges, humps in the road that we have to bump over, and we have to try and jump over them and ride with the waves. But did we realize where it's coming from? Number one. And number two, did we wait to piece of the Yeshua? Did we wait for the Yeshua from Hashem? Or were we waiting for a human being? That's bitachon in Hashem. And that's something we have to work on. Have a great day.